that these arguments are valid or invalid. And so the Euler diagram, remember, is just a way of taking circles and trying to describe what's going on here. So for the statement 66, not all that glitters is gold. So in other words, you got things that glitter. Alright, it doesn't say gold does not glitter, right? It's just saying not all that glitters is gold. Alright. And so you have these two circles, and so they do overlap a little bit because gold does glitter, but there are other things that glitter that are not gold, right? That's what the first statement's saying. So there are things over here that correspond to this statement right here, right? My ring glitters, so my ring is not gold. Alright, so this is invalid because your ring can be a thing that glitters and not be gold, but it can also be a thing that glitters that is gold. Alright, so in other words, that makes the argument invalid because there's uncertainty about where your item is. Just because it glitters doesn't mean that it can't be gold. Alright, and then down here, some TV shows are comedies. All comedies are hits. So let's draw a picture of that. We have TV shows and comedies. Alright, so let's draw these circles. TV shows and comedies. And now all comedies are hits. Alright, so some TV shows are comedy. By the way, this corresponds to that overlap there, right? TV shows and comedies. And all comedies are hits means you need to put a circle all the way around the outside of comedies to say things that are hits. Right? Because comedies is fully inside of hits. Alright, so some TV shows are hits. Well, if some TV shows are comedies, and then those comedies all comedies are going to be hits, and so therefore there's some overlap with TV shows and comedies, and so therefore this overlap right here that we've talked about is comedies, and comedies are going to be hits, and so therefore some TV shows are going to be hits. When they say things like some, it makes it much easier for something to be valid. When it's all or none, that's when you can obviously, like the statement I used in class, every human has 32 teeth, or all humans have 32 teeth. All you have to do is find one case where it breaks that rule to negate it. And so when it's some people have 32 teeth. Yes, some humans have 32 teeth. In fact, a large majority of us do. But anyway, just to kind of point out that some generally leads to a valid argument. All right? Hopefully that helps.